Ladies, if you knew what you have, the power of what you have, you'd be ruling the world right now. There's something special about you that you guys have. Every guy, where Yeezy that thing. I'm telling you guys now. Let me make an example. According to me, this thing that's special that you have, it's trying to be local stock exchange, Bilabi. So this thing is so special. Let me make an example here today. All the ladies tonight who are buying their own drinks and are independent, make some noise for yourself. Lo, not the ladies that are buying your own drinks and are independent. I literally very listen to you. That's why you're buying your own drinks tonight. Mama ene, vamos rekela. Utseba huiseverisa. I think this thing should be moving new scenes as a Tswana one day. Just do me along. Lina laka isatana yele isi kibwa snack semachil. Mokota economy. Kumbicha nuko JSE. Utkaka ya kuko ile kumudi makaranga nupedi. Mia pipi on and you will approve. Ladies and gentlemen, so John Asad is going to give power. Then that's very minimal. That is happening. Came out very quick, Madonna. You don't know what to talk. Pula, Mokola, Pula. Oh, thank you. Oh, good. Thank you so much.